to 30 days of food as medicine, and today I'm going to be giving you 3 beautiful tips for the lustrous and the most beautiful hair you could ever have. I get a lot of compliments for my hair and my skin texture, and today what I'm going to be doing is discussing the 3 home remedies which I usually do to take care of my hair health, and trust me, it's simple with amazing results. The number one and the most useful tip which I can give you is Bhringraj tea. Take 500 ml of water, add 2 teaspoons of Bhringraj powder and keep it in a gas stove. Let it boil and reduce until half. Once that is done, let it cool down and you can use this as a rinse post you done with your shampoo. Do not rinse your hair with water thereafter. Leave it behind and you will see that this Bhringraj tea not just add strength to your hair, but it also adds a lot of lustrous and promotes hair growth. Second, I include amla every single day in my morning routine. I consume it as a fruit. You can have it as candies, as powder, as murabba. Including vitamin C rich food like amla not just strengthens your hair follicles but also reduces your hair fall issues. The third, the neem and hibiscus mask. Take 1 teaspoon of neem and 1 teaspoon of hibiscus powder. Mix it thoroughly in enough yogurt and form a paste. You can apply it on your scalp and leave it for around 30 minutes and wash it off with regular shampoo. You can also use Bhringraj tea as a rinse thereafter, and you will see that the antibacterial properties of neem and the nourishment of hibiscus keep your scalp clean and healthy, promoting hair growth. Do try out these tips and let me know the results if you like it, and also share it with someone whom you think would benefit from this.